Good morning, students. I hope you all completed yesterday's revision. I said you revise chapter 1, chapter 3, and chapter 5 SDS. Today, let us revise another chapters. Before that, I will tell some important topics in chapter wise. Okay, dear students. Very first, we have discussed chapter 1 food. Where does it come from? In this chapter, we have learned what is ingredients and sources of ingredients, and third one is what do animals eat. We have separated three types of animals based on what they eat. Okay, dear students, that that is herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Next, chapter 2, fiber to fabric. In this chapter, we have discussed fibers. Fibers are natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Okay, dear students, plant fibers. This is a natural fiber. For example, cotton, jute, and ginning. Ginning means the process of fibers separated from seeds. Okay, dear students. And next, spinning. In this process, we have make yarn from fibers. And fourth one is weaving. In this process, sets of yarn together to make a fabric. In this process, used looms machines are used. Okay, dear students. Next, knitting. In this process, we have make a single yarn to fabric. Next, we will revise chapter 5 separation of substances. In this chapter, we will learn different type of methods of separation. Okay, dear students. First one is hand picking, second one is thrusting, third one is winnowing, fourth one is sieving, fifth one is sedimentation, and sixth one is decantation, seventh one is filtration. In this seven process, separated main particles from other particles. Okay, dear students. And eighth one is evaporation and condensation. Next, chapter 6, changes around us. In this chapter, we have learned changes. Changes means two types of changes, having one reversible changes and another one is irreversible changes. Okay, dear students. Next, expansion. For example, in this process, when we heating the iron rod, it is slightly larger in size. That is called expansion. And third one is melting. Melting, in this process, when we heat iron rod on particular temperature, it will melt solid to liquid. Okay, dear students, this is called melting. And next chapter, chapter 7, getting to know plants. Herbs. In this chapter, we have learned different type of plants, herbs, shrubs, and trees. Okay, dear students, and also we have discussed different type of stem, leaf, root, and flower, and also how to stem used in plants, and leaves also how to use it in plants, and root also how to use the plants, and flowers having a different type of parts. Okay, dear students, leaf include process of transpiration and photosynthesis. This is all we have learned in this chapter. Next, chapter 9, the living organism and their surroundings. In this chapter, we have learned habitat, different type of habitat having, and adaptation and acclimatization. These three we have discussed. Habitat, three type of habitat having: terrestrial habitat, and aquatic habitat, and finally aerial habitat. We have learnt in this chapter two type of habitat, one terrestrial habitat and another one is aquatic habitat. Terrestrial habitat having deserts, mountain regions, grasslands. Some examples only say here. And aquatic habitat, oceans, ponds, and lakes. Fourth one is living things have certain hormone characteristics. Okay, dear students, that is excretion, growth, reproduction, respiration, and stimulus. Next, we will discuss chapter 10, motion and measurement of distances. Okay, dear students, in this chapter, we have learnt what is motion, a different type of motion also we have learnt: circular, periodic, and rectilinear motion, and measurement, how measure the distances. We can use tape and a scale. Okay, dear students. And third one is SI unit. Next, chapter 11, light, shadows and reflections. In this chapter, we have learned three types of objects: transparent, opaque, and translucent objects. Second one is shadows, and third one is light and reflection. Okay, dear students. Next, chapter 12, electricity and circuits. In this chapter, we have learned conductors, insulators, electric circuit. Okay, dear students. Conductors means it allow current through the material. Insulator means it resists current through the material. Okay, dear students. And electric circuit also we have studied in this chapter. Simply, electric circuit, two types having: open circuit and closed circuit. Open circuit is not current flow at that circuit. Closed circuit means that is that circuit allow to current the flow all the instruments. Okay, dear students. Next, chapter 12, chapter 14, water. In this chapter, we have discussed water not having in our earth means draft in our earth, draft and desert like having, and over water come means we know the fluid is surrounded in our atmospheres. And third one is rain harvesting, how to conserve the water, rainwater. Okay, dear students, in this process we have discussed rain harvesting means we can conserve rainwater, some processes. Okay, dear students. Next, water cycle. Water cycle means how to water recycling in our atmosphere. On chapter 15, air around us. In this chapter we have discussed composition of air in our atmosphere. For example, oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen. And second one is smoke. Third one is wind energy. Next, we have discussed chapter 16, garbage in, garbage out. In this chapter, we have discussed different type of garbages and how to collect and how to dispose that. Two types of garbages having: recyclable garbages and non-recyclable garbages. Okay, dear students, third one is vermicomposting. In this process, used red worms. Okay, dear students, and fourth one is recycling process. In this process, we have discussed how to recycle plastic and polyester materials. Students, I will tell here some contents only. You have read also book back exercise and fair work content. Okay, dear students, prepare well for our science exam.